alongside Fofana, the coach, FC Cologne attacking midfield. Well, as you can see, everything just stand still. And moreover, like, we don't choose this game for we are going to get with any bread. Obviously, we just stop for now, and moreover, like, and if you play, you get salary, and standing at one part of the first way we miss right now. So like, we say like everything okay for with the players then right now. Well, we don't put that case there across, and they don't say we say like we get back to them. So like, we never wait for them stay, and the answer we don't really wait for, because we don't put the case across. But first of all, I didn't also like every day they run, they try for keep myself fit, and then sometimes I didn't also do the ball mastery. Only I did do some ball control, ball juggling, then other two twist of them passing and other movements them we go for up quickly. Then they can ask for the fitness, then I also do some ball work only I know we lost the control and the touch. Mostly like FC Cologne will get a way the coaches there and they see you, they send equipment so like we each and every player for they do and send them back now. Then from there, then they look to wait you lack, then they tell you for you add on that. Well, first thing first, I don't say I don't for be fit, then they try for reach that kind of level where I always want to be. And put everything in prayer, because like prayer also counts. Even though we did try hard for reach now one kind of level, but the prayer self for it. But I just believe no more. With the way I work hard, they will help me after the goal. Just be safe, not get carried away. Then try for keep yourself from crowd and things that we then say will not for you. That you don't get sick, and make sure say you train. You use self training, then try for be the kind player we always for me.
My name is Ibrahim Guba, commonly known as Goba. Well, as a player, this coronavirus creates so many impact inside me, because you need to give you the chance for the talent, you need to give you the chance for let you do what you can do. But this all are God, everything are God. But as they say, it's how they see to me play, they know. Lord keep on the fight, Lord will train hard. Yeah, so far so good. I keep on training, and as you see, I send this advice to all the players then, not because the sick don't come, but just sit down at house, let the body be, don't continue the training. You say after the sick, better head, better future for where I support me, one way or the other. Although you know we will support you 100%. But at least you don't need to call the manager. The manager will be in small league to see what you get. But let's keep on the fight, let's not lose hope. Let's stay focused and let the train. We see after the sick, better you come for with the player.
It's not Coach Abu Sanko of Real Mark Football Club. Actually, the impact of this coronavirus at the world, in the country in particular, believe me, it really is scary. It is scary. It makes everything stand still, especially in our own side in our football. You can't believe it. The players them and the coaches them, they're able to do nothing to make it strong enough for at least they're able to live up to expectation, because this particular coronavirus, they make everything stand still and they make everybody scared by the world. Of course, the players they comply. Actually, the technical staff headed by me, without our feet say yes. At least we're not to go down without, we don't make sure say yes. All the players in the indoors, we don't know yes, indoors training. So make sure say yes, we give them pamphlets, or the all the watch and the all the train inside the room or the palace or in compound, so that it go easy for them. So that at the end of the day, we're going to go make the coronavirus done at the wall, or come back by the game, then we'll still be in the fit position. Between me and you, we executive headed by the CEO of Real Mark, they do very well as far as this particular team is concerned. This particular team gets, I don't say get all it takes, but for now, it gets within for make the players sustainable, that is the welfare and the treatment, so that at the end of the day, they will still the fit and then prepare themselves at any time when they call up on the game back. Between me and you, the country in particular and the world as a whole, me as a coach, and they make sure say yes, I do everything possible for continue to pass on the message. Say yes, one, this coronavirus, we the hits don't hit the wall like I hit the wall so. Lord, take all the precautions, measures them. All the world don't do, we the country don't do, all the health ministry don't do, all president don't do. For make sure say yes, do your law there to ram. For no more, there is but Latino meeting, and no way we make sure say to prevent them. But at the same time, we the coaches them, and me in particular, and make sure say yes, I do everything possible for make sure say I pass on the message to the players them in particular. So that they make sure say I do everything possible, and they will maintain themselves, sustain themselves, and prevent themselves from this corona disease. That's my objective. For make sure say yes, Real Mark go at the highest height of football in our country. That is the Premier League. Any coach get a mandate. Any coach will go take a team, whether Premier or Division 1 or Division 2. He must get a mandate. That make it be a coach. That make it be a leader. So he left to the coach now for let him make sure everything we're supposed to do. Let me make sure he qualify a team. Like for me now, Real Mark, I make sure say yes, I do everything possible. Me and my players then will qualify this team for go Premier.
Sierra Leoneans. I Abubakar Kamara Kumolinians Dadike. I play for Buffalo United Football Club, the Division 1 Football Club. And basically, with this pandemic, they've gone, we all are aware about this coronavirus spread. Really play them just thought I think it would be nice for you to do self-training because that's not the way it lasts forever. As time goes on, you get for resume back. Start to get advice for them, manage to stay safe and follow the rules with the WHO as well as with the countries. We say. And really pathetic because basically, as you say, some of the play ball don't get second job. Some man only rely and depend on football, right? And I think some of full source of income. Not easy. It really hard trending. But also and then we just get for patients and follow the rules as I say with the WHO say we are the World Health Governing Body and waiting with President they give advice for stay safe and be careful. And as I say again, it will be repeated. Let we stay safe, follow all preventive rules so that we will preserve with them. Secondly, not forget we will do self-skin because like as I say, we get for help you a lot. Say team they resume for begin train back. As a team, then they will pay loss in the farm.
Don't disturb me seriously because when the league they play, most of them they are too big. I don't believe say I will time this for play for represent nation. Then the outbreak just bust up. But that's not make me relax because this time we come, we just break out there. Everything stop, but we do personal healings and self-training. That's for keeping fit. For any time when they say sick done, we start from one back. We need to be already on the move. As distance between most of them company, but we interact, we chat, then we give yourself advices for everybody there. And use small corner. They do your own basic things then for them. They don't say resume, then you say I not ready yet. Because I can always give them the advice. Me and each and every plan I tell you, I say me they keep fit, I hope so now back there on that. And everybody give me what yes, they all do a self-scanning and they can show some people as evidence. So I believe say we all intact. Before, after we stop everything, we get the salary from the management. Like when they say football line most of we survive from. And obviously first day is the time we attach other side. We gain from any other sports past football. Football line we only survive from. If we don't pay we versus that, but if we come out playing itself, we say easy. We back know the constraints we impact they go to the management, where the management they go to. So it tells say this salary alone manager say a member for call me back. So since that time may not be ever call me. Now for let it sick down, let me continue playing football line our bread and butter. My career, I want to make it to the diaspora, one of the best players in the country. What's the race I don't rely on? And that's my aim. Not for only play for Eastern Tigers and play now in Sierra Leone National Premier League now. I want to go as far as I can. That's make I always dey put more effort in anything I do. As you can see, I just send this word to each and every player in Sierra Leone. The outbreak they come to an end by God's grace, because the big countries they don't begin, they resume the leagues them this ending of this month, then early next month. So at any time from now, back like it always say, let back ready. So let keep fit. This sick not forever, a short time, and in time they don't soon now. So let keep fit and prepare. You know, say football line now we everything. Without football, some of you here would do anything. So let prepare well for the upcoming leagues.
Junior Bio, the sport ambassador, and also one big allegiance at the Brookfields United Football Club. Yeah, I always sensitize players them, and also the sport loving fans them, not only the players them. They talk to them always for keep safe, and also then for the wash their hand all the time with soap and water, and also not for the use their hand at their face, and also crowd, social distance for avoid them. If you dare a crowd, sideway crowd, they use your marks. Use your marks. They're not saying you use your marks all the time, but for the use your marks anytime you're in a crowd. When you come out there, you can pull your marks. But always use your marks so you're in a crowd. And I always talk to the players them for make them they keep fit, make them they train self-training until the game come back. Yeah, some clubs them you don't need for tell them. I know so many clubs that we don't give. Then they give them feeding them, give rest, and they give them some token. You understand? Like example, Eastern Lions. You understand? I believe say beaucoup de way they do that. You understand the responsibility? They know their responsibility, and I know say now people that way responsible. Then go always they do waiting they for do for the players them, and I appeal to them for do waiting they for they do for the players them, because now that only way they're able for the get now football they're able for the get. So if you give them this small, then go appreciate. The word of courage, I want make them patient. I want make them know say the sick real and the virus is done very soon by God in power. We try for make we put down there aside so that the game will come back. And I just keep fit, always keep fit. And I come back soon as possible.
Well, the experience is bad. It's not good for us. Football not the play. These are the most difficult time for we. Based on the passion we get for the game, and two, we're not making much to take care of the players them and all that. And them more than they only heartedly devoted themselves and depend on this game. At one point in time, last month, we just make sure we give them a month's salary, and we just work behind the scene and we give them stipend. They help them with the individual problems and small. But as a club too, we cannot match that. It's impossible for us financially to cope. So we just to see when they get problem today, we help them. Then when they really back fast and call you to get them, we will help them 1, 2, 3, 10. And that's about it. You just pinch and manage until we get back together. We've been timely and we appreciate them so much. What we've been doing is we've been don't do something before that thing they can. So we end up with just make sure we just patch up on other things and see how best we can take care of them. It's not enough, but there is no way we can able to stand it financially. Yeah, we do the same thing, and the technical team they give me a weekly update on players who they talk to, and how they see how they do their training and everything, and then they send me some pictures and some videos and also always with their personal training them. So they're trying to keep themselves fit, because we don't always tell them say it takes 8 weeks of get yourself fit where you don't do nothing to play football. So that they don't want for lost waiting and don't gain. They don't get 100%, but at least they will able to get something when league starts. We expect for them at the same stage we've been there or even improve. We look and see some few lapses that we've been get, even though we've been successful so far, nobody would expect to produce how we do so. But at the same time, we want to improve better than that. Definitely, it's difficult. Everybody is in need right now. Every organization is in need. People are donating towards Corona. So it's just like my personal. When we said they make small, I can just take the target from a family, I put smallly, I solve 2-3 my problem today, work, get back tomorrow, which I will take home, I put 2-3 back again, I solve 2-3 players out. So now that's no more. We'll be right Monday and we'll come back to football.